In today's video, guys, I will be talking about this new play to earn game that is launched on Binance Smart Chain that has a market capitalization of more than $6 million right now, that has been featured in Forbes, in Yahoo Finance, in Business Insider and IBTimes, and this called Everest Coin. So it is a mountain of possibilities. So let's just go forward here. But before we do that, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. And let's just jump right into it. Okay, so Everest Coin is you see here that there is a wildlife, a weather, and a base camp. Okay, so these are the characters in Everest Coin. So this is more like a mountaineer setup where different kinds of people are pairing up to hike, of course, and to climb. And there are 6 characters here. So there are 5 game mechanics actually into this game. Okay, so there is a climbing, there's also a hunting, there's also a farming, there's also a base building, and there is also a shopping. So for the climbing, of course, you will be earning money when you're climbing, and this is, I think this shopping is more like a marketplace, because I mean I think there's no shopping actually in Mountaineer, unless there's actually some shops over there. But this is everything that we currently know right now. And if you want to buy some EV coin, so just click this portion over here and you will be redirected into a PancakeSwap website, wherein you're just going to connect your what do you call that, your MetaMask or your Binance Chain wallet, and after that you're pretty much good to go. So just add this one, guys, import this. So if let's say you have a BNB, just convert it into an Everest coin, and just imagine, guys, if this Everest coin actually reaches $1 each, then probably even if you just have $20 or $30, you're probably going to sit with a really big tons of money right now. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to buy those Everest coin. And if you're curious about how to check what are the current price of the said token, you can just go directly at this portion over here. So it will be you just going to look for this part, okay, and then go for a pool coin. So pool coin dash app, and then paste the what do you call that, the contract address. Okay, paste the contract address. Okay, let me just show it to you real quick. I think it is not yet live, like it is not yet being synchronous on PooCoin and Dex tools, but I mean, who knows, who it doesn't matter, because first of all, it is on PancakeSwap already. It is already listed. You can now buy it into PancakeSwap. Now let's now go forward into the tokenomics. So the tokenomics is 2% will be the interest to holders, 3% will be going to the marketing wallet, 1% goes to dev wallet, 1% to the charity, 1% to the mod wallet, 1% to the game wallet, and 1% to the burn to the dead. So more likely it is a burning. So these tokens are being inputted into a wallet address and then just keep it there, and 10% is actually the total fee. Now this is a play to earn again, so like it's being quoted by John Neff, but you're just going to click this, and this is the 4D and 2D teaser of how to buy, and like the things that we need to know. Okay,
Himalayas. Follow us as we work to create your journey across the mountains. You'll be able to select from a variety of characters with their own unique looks, skills, and characteristics. Once you've chosen the character that best suits you, you'll find yourself headed towards the top. The gaming mechanics are climbing mechanic, hunting, farming, base building, and shopping. Beware, however, as the climb will not be easy. The weather alone is enough to stop you if you aren't careful, and the wildlife can become a danger to the ill-prepared. Gather materials, set up camps and discover the story hidden within the mountain as make your way to the peak. Tokenomics. Our supply is 1 trillion Everest tokens on BSC. In our smart contract, we apply a 10% tax on all transactions, buys and sells. Out of this, 2% is redistributed automatically to all holders, and 3% to the marketing wallet to drive viral marketing campaigns. 1% of transactions goes to the burn wallet to reduce the total amount of tokens in circulation and increase value. The rest you can check under tokenomics at our website EverestCoin.io. How to buy EverestCoin? First and most important one is that you need our contract address. To avoid scam and other attacks, the only and right contract address will only be published in our Telegram channel and Twitter account. The contract would be announced 24 to 12 hours before launch. But back to how to buy EverestCoin? Short version for experienced users. With BNB and PancakeSwap you are safe. Use 10 to 12% slippage. Beginner's Guide. Please check carefully step 1 to 5. We have also a one-pager on our website and in our social channels. Requested. In case of trouble or need help, we are online and glad to help you. That about sums up what we have in store. Hopefully we've managed to pique your interest as we are eager to.
So that is EverestCoin, like what is being mentioned. So they do have a teaser and a tutorial on how you can be able to buy EverestCoin. So you see that this is an article on Forbes wherein EverestCoin has been mentioned, and there is actually a quotation from a founder of EverestCoin where they're seeing an influx of new tokens being built merely for the sake of trading them without any utility, but also they have made a partnership with Mazer Gaming, which is a professional esports and entertainment organization that is being published on Yahoo Finance as well. And you'll be able to see EverestCoin in Business Insider. You wanna bet me? This is the official article with them. So they're actually opening their whitelisting before on August 27, and now we are at this point of time, which I think is really perfect, guys. I mean, just being mentioned in different sites like Forbes, Yahoo, actually says something, okay? And if you want to learn more about EverestCoin, of course, do not forget, I will be putting all of the links down below so that you'll be able to see and also join if you have any questions into their Telegram, into their Discord, into their Twitter, into their Medium or Instagram. You will be able to see it directly here. And now this is the current roadmap of EverestCoin. As you can see here, they are now done with the current stage, which is the phase 1. And now they are looking forward into launching their phase 2, which includes teasers, influencer marketing, airdrops, NFTs, tests, and also the launch of their FTP and ETH, the game development on the phase 3, also the marketing and the first beta phase of the game, and also into the phase 4, they're also going to release their own decentralized exchange, which is EverestSwap, and also the staking, wherein you will be able to earn money from holding Everest coins as well. So this is everything that we know about EverestCoin. If you like my content, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.